Grab your hard hats. It's Christina K, and I'm back again with one of the floor plans that's offered at the Meadows at Wilson Farms by Meadows Homes. This is the Aden floor plan. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath floor plan with a 2-car garage. So let's take a peek around this floor plan. On the lower level, you will find a full bathroom along with a bedroom and storage area. You'll also find the entrance from your garage into the home. This is one of the few side entrance homes sites that they offer. So this floor plan is a side entrance floor plan. On the upper level, you will find the dining room, the family room, the study, and the kitchen. So over there in the back is the study area that can be used for a study, a flex space, formal dining room, whatever your heart desires. Let's head to the third level where you'll see all 3 bedrooms. The primary suite with its walk-in closet and its bathroom, along with bedrooms 2 and 3. Here is the owner's suite. The owner's suite comes equipped with dual vanity. It also comes equipped with a stand-up shower and a walk-in closet. Remember that this is not a large walk-in closet because this is a townhome. So they need to be able to pack it with as much punch as they can so you won't find a huge closet here. To your left will be your laundry room. To your right is going to be a full bathroom with the shower tub combo. And finally, bedrooms 2 and 3. If you're interested in this floor plan or any other floor plan that's offered here at the Meadows at Wilson Farms, please be sure to click the links in my bio. Myself and the on-site sales team would love to tour you around, giving you a private tour and access to amenities and incentives that are offered in this community. As always, I want to wish you the opportunity to have a happy house hunting journey. And if you need me, be sure to know that this community does offer me the opportunity to give you my standard representation package, which would give you up to 1% rebate on top of any incentives that they're offering. As always, please remember to enjoy the process in purchasing your new home.